Getting Better, and Dennis Song. And they're off. And the lead is taken by My Promise, Getting Better, Kingman Joe, Gold Cugat, and Dennis Song. The mid-back stretch, My Promise by 3.5 lengths, followed by Getting Better in second. And moving up on the outside, Dennis Song, Gold Cugat, Kingman Joe. Rounding the far 10, and still My Promise in the lead by 2 lengths, followed now by Dennis Song by the rail, and Getting Better running in third on the outside, Kingman Joe and Gold Cugat. Rounding the far turn, the lead is taken over now by Dennis Song by the rail, and My Promise on the outside, Getting Better now moving up on the farther outside in third. And into the home stretch is Dennis Song by the rail, in between horses My Promise, and Getting Better now moving up on the outside. It's Dennis Song, My Promise on the outside, Getting Better on the farther outside. Getting Better in between horses is My Promise and Dennis Song by the rail. My Promise Getting Better on the outside, Dennis Song by the rail. It's My Promise Getting Better on the outside. And finally at the payoff line, My Promise Getting Better, Dennis Song, Gold Cugat, Kingman Joe.